Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up GoPro Hero 13. I'm gonna show you what to do in the initial configuration and how to turn it on. So first of all, we need to insert the battery, which should be of course included inside the box. Over here you should be able to find this thing over here, and you want to pretty much grab it with your finger, maybe 2 fingers if needed, and then pull it towards you so that it comes out just a little bit. And once it does, you can just open this panel. And now over here you can insert the battery. It shouldn't close by itself, so you don't have to worry. There we go. And just push it down. Simple as that. Over here you can also find the memory card slot if needed. And here we have the USB slot, which allows you to charge the GoPro. So keep that in mind. You might need to charge your GoPro. Of course, in that case, you need to use the USB cable that also comes with the device. And in addition to that, you might need to use either a computer that has the USB-C slot, or you can use a power adapter of your phone if it matches the outputs. So we can now close this. So just simply pull it down like so. And now let's see if it turns on. So over here next to the 13 black text, you should be able to find the mode button, which is also the power button. So simply press and hold it in order to turn it on. There we go. Once you hear the beep, you should see the GoPro logo. And if it doesn't turn on for some reason, like I said, you might need to charge your GoPro first. But I assume it is not really necessary if you purchased a brand new GoPro Hero 13. So now we can choose the language. Of course, you can swipe up and down in order to choose the language. So I'm gonna choose English, of course. Then we have legal stuff. I'm just gonna agree. Here we can enable or disable the GPS. So I'm gonna turn it on. We also have the voice control. So once again, if you want to use it, then of course you can turn it on. I'm gonna turn it off for now. And now we are asked to scan the QR code in order to get the GoPro app, which is needed in order to update the GoPro. So you need to grab your phone, your smartphone, go to the App Store or the Play Store, and you can either just enter the Quik app. It is called over here Quik app, you can see on the screen. Or you can scan the QR code in order to quickly get access to the app as well. And this is the app that I'm talking about. It is called GoPro Quik Video Editor. Make sure that it is made by GoPro, so you know that this is the one that you need to install. Once you install and open the app, you have the option to create your own account, or you can simply sign in if you already have an account, if you used GoPro before. Or you can simply continue as guest. It should be pretty easy to create an account, so you can go through it, just follow the instructions that you will see on the screen. If you don't want to be bothered with the account, then of course you can just continue as guest. Now you will see the question, do you own a GoPro? So of course in our case we have to choose yes. And then let's choose yes once again in order to set up our GoPro. The app will ask you to grant permission to access nearby devices in order to connect to GoPro. So simply choose connect a camera and then choose to allow to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. There we go. In my case, it immediately detected my GoPro, so I can simply choose connect. If for some reason it is not your GoPro, then you can choose not my camera. And if you do that, then you can choose the correct GoPro that you wish to connect to. That is yours, of course. If you choose to connect to the detected GoPro, then you will see this information, whether you want to actually pair with the GoPro. So in your case, you want to, of course, choose to pair. And there we go. We should hear a beep sound coming from the GoPro. We should see the preview. It should be set up, and on our phone we also have the name for our GoPro. We can actually edit the name if we wanted to. You can simply tap on the field in order to open the keyboard and just enter the name that suits you best. And there we go. We can either save a new name or leave as a random string, actually, I guess, or just the name of the model that we can see over here. So I'm gonna stick with the new name with Hero 13 Black. And then we are offered to use the auto upload feature that allows you to upload your footage to the cloud and create highlight videos for you. But of course, you don't have to agree to that. You can just choose to do this later. So let's skip this. There we go. Our GoPro is ready. And that's pretty much it. Now we can start using our GoPro. In the app, you can, for instance, enable the preview. You will be asked to connect to Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna choose to connect. And there we go. Now we can see the preview, I guess. Or not yet, really. Oh, because the GoPro is off, so my bad. But before we actually move on to the preview and other features, you should finalize the update process. So you might take a look over here if there is a text that this GoPro has new footage and you want to download it. So simply press on the download. If you see any error that the SD card is not connected or anything, even though you actually inserted the SD card, then in that case what you need to do is pretty much restart your GoPro. I'm gonna show you in a second how to do that. But after you press the download, then this is how it should look like. You should be connecting to Wi-Fi once again. And once it is done, you should have the information that no new footage is found. Alright, so now let's check if the preview works, because the last time it was black screen. So now you can see that it works just fine. We have the preview working as intended. So if you want to have a preview, then of course you can have it over here. And that's pretty much it. You can also power off the GoPro by using the power button over here. Of course, you can still power off by using the GoPro itself. And if you need to restart your GoPro, what you can do is simply press and hold the mode button or the power button that is located over here. If you hold it for a couple of seconds, so let me show you. So I'm just gonna press and hold. There we go. Now we hear the beep sound and the GoPro is off. And now you need to simply press and hold once again the same button in order to turn it on. And that's pretty much it. So now our GoPro is set up. You can go through the app in order to discover what is interesting, what is available in this case, and have fun with your GoPro. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.